This is head-to-head when Hong Kong meet Bangladesh. Every match from Hong Kong 1-0 to Bangladesh in AFC Asian Cup qualify. And next one is Hong Kong will be win 2-0 to Bangladesh again in AFC Asian Cup qualify. And the next one is last week in October 2025, Hong Kong win 4-3 to AFC in AFC Asian Cup qualify. And in 14 October, Hong Kong will meet Bangladesh again at home in AFC Asian Cup qualify. Now we go to Hong Kong last 5 match. Every match they play. They lost 0-2 to South Korea in EAFF Championship. And they lost again to China 0-1 in EAFF Championship again in 2025. And now we go to another. They lost 1-2 to Iraq in international friendly match in King Cup in Thailand. And they win 8-0 to Fiji in international friendly cup in King Cup in Thailand again. And they won 4-3 in AFC Asian Cup qualify. Last match they meet at Bangladesh at home. Now we go to Bangladesh last 5 match before meet Hong Kong again. They draw 0-0 in AFC Asian Cup qualify 2025. They win 2-0 to Bhutan in international match friendly match in FIFA 0-2, and they lost 2-1 to Singapore in AFC Asian Cup qualify match 2. And they 0-0 to Nepal with Bangladesh in friendly match in FIFA. And last match they lost 4-3 to Hong Kong in AFC Asian Cup match 3.